Hey guys, today I'm showing you how to create this awesome leprechaun makeup. So first I'm starting off with a sponge and some tag ivory, and I'm covering my whole face and neck. Once my whole face and neck is covered, I'm now using this small flat brush and I'm creating these triangular shapes above my eyes with some tag orange. This will make my eyes look really angry and give me quite a strong, fierce brow. Now to blend the orange in a little bit, I'm just using a sponge and that tag ivory again. Using that orange again, I'm now creating these cool little frown lines and also going underneath my eyes as well. Now it's time to do all of the other lines and wrinkles. So I'm still using that same tag orange and I'm using the same flat brush. And also I'm actually looking at a picture of a little weird leprechaun doll sort of thing. But yeah, it's always good to have a reference image. So now that's all the orange wrinkles on my face all done. So now I'm just adding a few little lines on my neck just to tie it into the makeup. To add some extra depth to all of my wrinkles and into my eyes, I'm using this brown star blend and I'm just deepening out my eyes first and then adding a little bit of star blend to all of my line work just to make it pop a little bit more and also give it more of a 3D effect. Star blend is basically just a very highly pigmented powder. You can of course use an eyeshadow powder as well. Now that is the shading all done, so now we want to go in with a dark brown. I've just mixed a little bit of tag black into my tag brown, and I'm just adding all of my extra little details. So I want to make the nose look a little bit wider, so I'm adding some little nostrils and then also these lines next to the nose. I'm also darkening the inner corners of my eyes as well, and I'm just creating some small little lines around the face just to give those wrinkles a little bit more depth. Don't forget to do the neck as well. For my lips, I'm using a tag pink, and I'm actually only putting some on the bottom lip, and I also just added a little bit of red onto it as well. If you want it to stay on a little bit longer, I would actually just use a liquid lipstick. The face paint is not super waterproof. Now I'm using this little chip brush, which I like to call a flicky brush, and I've just dipped it into a little bit of brown, and I'm just flicking some paint onto my makeup. This gives the skin a little bit more detail and texture. Another cool little trick, you can also just purse your lips like this and then use that tag ivory again, and then just dab it over the lips, and you get a little bit of detail on the lips as well. Now I'm going in with a tag white and adding my final highlights. Now that I've done all my highlights, the makeup is all done, but of course we need to add some more things. So now I've added my contact lenses and a wig, and of course a St. Paddy's Day hat. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's a pretty fun look, and I hope you try it out for St. Patrick's Day. I'll catch you guys next time.